Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hydrogen generator oxygen not included. Begin by powering down your base and moving the generator near a water source before installation. Inspect all vents and filters for debris, then attach a hydrogen vent and an output pipe to direct gas safely. Fill a reservoir and prime the pump to avoid airlocks. Turn on power gradually, monitor pressure and temperature, and adjust flow to balance production with storage. Make a checklist and follow safety steps before you begin. Gather the generator, hydrogen vent, power source, pipes, and a water pump. Verify you have a gas filter and storage tank rated for hydrogen. Wear gloves and eye protection while working. Label pipes to prevent mistakes and secure all fasteners. Test the pump with a small run to confirm flow and clear any blockages before full operation. Start operations slowly and watch gauges in real time to prevent surprises. Maintain hydrogen pressure within manufacturer limits and avoid spikes by using a buffer tank. Monitor water levels and top up with purified water to prevent mineral buildup. Keep an eye on temperature and venting to avoid overheating. Schedule routine filter changes and inspect seals monthly. Log performance metrics to track efficiency gains.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.